Hello everyone and welcome to the very first episode of Cinema Basics, where I'll be giving a little context and a brief demonstration of classic cinema techniques that might actually help you spice up your own work. In today's episode, we have the Dutch angle. The Dutch angle, or the oblique angle, means to slightly tilt the camera on its roll axis, so that the horizon line of the shot is not parallel to the bottom of the frame. There's two theories from where the Dutch term originated. It's not Dutch because it's from the Netherlands, rather it was coined Dutch in a pejorative way, influenced by the Anglo-Dutch Wars of the 1600s, where everything was giving the Dutch prefix when something was slightly off, such as having Dutch courage, speaking double Dutch, or the Dutch wife. The Dutch angle in this case is slightly crooked, hence the use of the Dutch prefix. However, people also attribute the Dutch term to a mistranslation of Deutsch, since the German expressionist movement was famous for using this particular camera angle. It's most commonly used to provoke a sense of instability in the audience. According to the Hollywood lexicon, diagonal lines are more difficult to process than straight parallel lines, hence the sense of instability in the audience. It's been widely used in Hollywood as a method of confusion, or telling the audience that whatever is happening is a proper brain f***. Many directors and cinematographers have employed this angle to represent madness, disorientation, or drug psychosis, as well as tension or the sense of alienation in a foreign environment. So, if you want to cause a bit of confusion, uncertainty, uneasiness, or simply give that what the f*** moment to your viewers, add a little bit of tilt to your camera angle the Dutch way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to share this video with someone who might find it useful. I make videos like this as frequently as I can, so consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to hear about other cinema basic techniques that you'd like me to talk about. Hit me up on social media. Links are in the video description, and I will see you guys on the next one. Cheers.
Ahora muerde tu pizza y como volteas a ver algo. Creo que, bueno, no sé si más indicaciones. A ver, ahora.
A ver.